what's up, Mickey here, and today I first want to show you my room because kinda moved it around. Yeah. Alright, but I gotta give a shout out to, she's just a great YouTuber, Squishy Gerbil. She is amazing. She comments on most of my videos. She is great. She just got 600 subscribers today, and now she has 602. Seriously, she gets like 20 subscribers like every day, and I want you guys to be one of them. Let's get into the video. And if you do not know, my name is Lila, and we do squishy videos and slime videos. Not every day, but I will do that if you guys will comment down below to do that daily. Oh yeah. And we are going to be showing you all my squishies that I have. It's an update. Alright, let's go, guys. I got all my squishies. Ow, arm break. Arm crack. I'm weird, and I'm sitting on the floor, but I have an idea that I'm going to do on the floor. Yeah, you guys are probably going to be weirded out. Guys, I am laying on my bear, as you probably saw, with the butt. Alright. I don't know. Alright, I'm weird. So first, what we're going to start out with is, let's see. Okay, so it's this jellyfish
Squishy. It's from a Banggood squishy package. I'm going to go through these really quickly because I have a lot of squishies. There it is. It's very slow. I think packaging was open when I got it. Oh, second squishy is this Eric cake. It smells so amazing. This smells like bread. I don't know why. Next thing I pull out is this other Eric cake. It smells. I thought it has a stronger smell. This has a sweet, the more colored one has a sweeter smell. Next thing, okay, is this strawberry. It's really surprising. It smells just like strawberries. Next thing I pull out is this Smushy Mushy. I actually have two Smushy Mushies, but I kind of lost the other one. And I'm not going to show you the mini friend. I'm just going to show you him. I can never find out how to color change these. Can you guys comment down below how do you make these squishies color change? Do you put it in the freezer? Because I put mine in the freezer for 20 minutes and it didn't freeze. I mean, it froze, but it didn't like turn different color. Next thing I pull out is this Santa Claus that I got from Christmas. Doesn't really have a smell. Smushy Mushy smells exactly like strawberries. Alright, next thing I have is an Easter basket from Easter. It smells actually really nice. Alright, next thing we have is this Banggood cake. I mean, not cake, bread. Like pastry. It's very slow rising for its like size. Alright, next we have this Walmart whoopee cushion. Next we have this Walmart I love that idea.
I think it's called a ice cream. Obviously it's called ice cream. It's obviously called ice cream. Okay, it does not smell very good. It's very dense. Next we have this panda bun. I don't know if it's a panda bun or not. I mean, I got it from Justice, you know. But I also have two other squishies on my backpack, and I'm not gonna be showing you that. This looks like a marshmallow, and it has eyelashes. It smells just like a marshmallow. Next we have, this is a CVS squishy. It's so soft and the most slow rising squishy I own. Next thing I pull out is this Valentine's Day heart cake. It's very slow rising. It doesn't smell like anything. This doesn't smell. It smells like butter. There it is. It's very slow rising. Next thing I pull out is this Easter bunny. Next thing I pull out is the CVS hamburger. First squishy ever. Actually, this one may be my slowest rising squishy. Next thing I pull out is this Gear Bass polar bear with the little friend on it. Very slow rising as well. And I'm not going to do my mochis. Next thing I pull out is this Hello Kitty donut. Very squishy. I really like it. It doesn't smell like anything to me. Next thing I pull out is this Banggood mango. And it's really fast rising, but I don't mind. It's fine. Next thing you pull out is this thing that smells just magical. This unicorn from Amazon. This one's so slow rising. Next thing we pull out is this Justice bread loaf. kind of fast rising too. I don't know which one's more fast rising. I'm gonna guess this one. No, I'm gonna guess this one. I'm gonna guess this one. Okay, I was right. Next thing I pull out, oh, me and my friend did a squishy spot dancing queen. Go check her channel out. It smells like bread. It's very fast rising and it holds a lot of hand crinkles. It already got defected and I'm sad. I mean, it's adorable. Like the bow, it's really fast rising though. You know, I don't mind. It's another squishy to add to my collection. Next thing I pull out is this turtle bread from Dot Dot Bang. Next thing I pull out is this milk carton from Banggood. Do I say Banggood? Banggood. Next thing I pull out is this Five Below squishy. Someone called this Millie the Whale. Billy the Whale. It kind of got eaten. My dog smells delish. Next thing I got this poop from Squish Delish, from one of my best friends. Next I got this cloud from CVS. Very slow rising. Next I got this pizza from CVS. Very slow rising. Next to do that, I got this squishy. It's from Justice. It's a panda. Next thing I pull out is this Keebler bread loaf. Next thing I pull out is the Octoball, that's what it's called. This is so slow rising, guys, and it's so airy too. Next thing I pull out is, well, the last thing I pull out is this Polly the hamster. It comes with a really cute little tag. I love him so much. The most fun I had squishing is the back. I'll switch the front for you. Yeah, guys, this is my collection, and I'm getting more in a grab bag. So yeah, guys, it's Life of Boutique grab bag. I don't know when it's gonna come. I think Squishy Gerbil said 2 weeks it's gonna come. I don't know. Life of Boutique didn't tell me, but she's had experience because she got a lot of grab bags. So the guy calls him. Sorry about that. But yeah, Squishy Gerbil is just amazing. You guys should totally check her out. Bye guys, thanks for watching. I tried for real. That was disgusting. Okay, now I have to put it all away. Oh my gosh, you guys still on? Bye.